Hey, hey, hey. What's up, guys? So, I will be breaking down a trade I took yesterday on EURUSD. We took this trade on our WhatsApp group. Okay, I created a WhatsApp group. The link will be on the description where we just take random trades. Sorry, we take trades, we analyze and stuff like that. Yeah, I don't know if that was the proper way to say it, but fuck it, let's go. So this was a trade on EURUSD. It was a beautiful trade. Okay, it was a beautiful trade. Well, something happened. I got tagged out. Okay, when price got to this level, I saw price just consolidate right around this level. So I just set my trade to break even, and I was tagged out. It was sad, but I think this trade is going to be helpful to beginners who just got started trading ICC. You understand me? So I'm going to be breaking down this chart on 15 minutes, and stay tuned. And this video is going to literally transform how you view ICC. If you understand these simple things I'm saying here, I will advise you to watch the video multiple times so you have a clear understanding. Okay, so this was the session we traded yesterday, right? So when I came to the market, all I was seeing was literally this. I remember our first tool when we come to the chart is we look for what highs and lows are being respected. Remember, this is a question I told you guys to always ask yourself: what highs and lows are being respected? As you can see, highs are being respected over here. Highs are being respected more than lows, and I'm going to explain. Okay, for beginners, just in case you're a beginner, let's see, highs are being respected. If you look at these lows are being broken consistently. So these lows are being broken consistently. Forgive my drawings. Lows are being broken consistently. These shows that there are sellers in the market, and we are only looking for sales. Remember, when highs are consistently being respected, meaning they are not being broken at all, this shows that this shows that there are sellers in control, and all we should be looking for is sales. We should only be looking to sell this market, nothing else. Vice versa, if the market is literally going up, all we are literally looking for is buys. Okay, if lows are being respected, we look for buys. If highs are being respected, we look for sales. Okay, simple as that. Okay, now this was what I saw immediately, and when I saw this, I marked my level. Okay, the second thing we'll do is mark our level, and this was the level I marked right here. Okay, I marked my level, and I knew back below this level, price was going to sell. Also, there was one more thing I looked for to confirm this trade that actually gave me more confirmation. So I went to the hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, and I noticed price literally was maintaining this lows consistently. I'm going to mark it. Okay, price was maintaining consistently. I'm going to jump a lot. Consistently. Price was maintaining lows consistently. They gave me, and then it started breaking lows as I creating highs. This automatically shows that there are sellers literally in the market, and we had a big ass indication here. Okay, we had a big ass indication here also. Do you get me? And price was literally reacting off of this level as well. This level, that literally sellers back above this level. Okay, there were sellers back above these levels pushing price. I'm telling you, this was how I saw the market. Sellers back above this level pushing price. Right, first confirmation. Second confirmation, lows were being broken, showing us that buyers were stronger in the market now. Okay, lows were being broken. This was the second confirmation for me to start looking for sales. I had no reason to be looking for buy opportunities. There was no reason at all to be looking for buy opportunity. Okay, so I came into the market. I think I went to the 5 minutes first. Yeah. And I looked at the market, price was literally back above this level, and I knew back below this level I'll be selling the market back down. I know the market was going to sell back down. So what I did was, I literally went to the 1 minute. Okay, this is the most important part. You need to pay attention to this. Okay, you need to pay attention to this. Remember, I told you, right? What we do is follow up on the correction. Right? Follow up on the correction. How do we know a correction is over? We know a correction. I'm sorry. Leave, please. Okay, we know a correction is over when the lows the corrections are making are broken. As you can see, price kept on maintaining these lows, right? And the moment a low gets breaking, that is how you know the correction is over. And as you can see, this low got broken right here. And the moment I saw this, I knew, okay, correction was over. And all I was waiting for was literally for session to push price back below my entry level so I can trade it back down. It's as simple as that, okay? You need to understand this. When price is creating a correction, right, it start creating minor lows like this. And it never breaks them. At the moment you see price breaks a low, you know that the market is about to reverse. And all you have to do is simply set your entry back below the low just in case it breaks and your stop loss back above and you ride it back down. It's as simple as this, okay? I've explained this multiple times. I've taken trades like this multiple times, and I'm teaching you how to take trades like this also. So the moment I saw this, literally, I put my stop loss back below my entry points. I put my entry back below my. I entered back below my entry point. My stop loss back above, and I rolled it back down. I rolled it back down to the next low, which was right, and yeah. That's around there. I rolled it back down and price went there. Smooth, clean trade. 1 to almost 4 is to the trade. It was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. The trade was beautiful. And this was the trade. Hopefully you understand this. Okay, you need to understand this. First question you should always be asking yourself is what highs and lows are being respected, so you know when if you are selling or you are buying. Okay, you need to understand this. What highs and lows are being respected. If highs are being respected, then you know you are supposed to sell just like this. If lows are being respected more, then you know you are supposed to buy. Okay, and also one thing I want you to understand, right, is the correction. When price start correcting, how to know a correction is over. I'm going to make a separate video on that actually. I'm going to make a separate video on that. If you want me to make a separate video on how to know if a correction is over, just say something in the comment section. As you can see, I'm going to teach you that. Okay, so you can get into trades precisely and make money. So, bye.